Hello everyone. Welcome back to Careers 360. I just want to ask you a question. Think that you need JOSA counseling to get into an triple IIT. Think again. And many of you might be thinking, yes, we actually require JOSA counseling to get into an triple IIT. But dear ones, in this video, I'll show you how some of the top triple IITs offer direct admissions through alternate routes. There is no JOSA required. Even no 75% criteria is also required. Wow, that's great. Let's move ahead and talk about the very first triple IIT, and that is Triple IIT Delhi. And according to NIRF ranking 2025 data, I'll just talk about this particular triple IIT. It ranks 63. It's A+, it's NAC accredited. Now, total male count is 1972. Total female count is 254. Outside state students 794 and total faculty count is 184. This data is actually based upon NIRF ranking 2025. Moving ahead and now talking about the admission criteria to this particular triple IIT. The admission over here mainly gets through JAG Delhi counseling, which actually accepts this course of JEE Main. Also, if you are going for CSD, CS and Design, and CSSS, that means CS and Social Sciences, then use Triple IIT Delhi mode for some seats. It's for Delhi candidates. Talking about for international students, they can actually apply through DASA, DASA. It's basically direct admissions of students abroad. Clear? ICCR, study in India or international routes. Okay, so these are kind of the scholarships through which the international students can also apply over here in Triple IIT Delhi. Talking about the application fee, for one program it's 300 and if you're going for the two programs it's 600. That means if I'm talking about CSD and CSSS. Okay, now CSD admissions it's actually based on UCEED rank. Okay, CSD के जो admissions हैं, they will be actually based on UCEED rank. Talking about CSSS admissions, okay, have a look. It's based on class 12th marks plus the bonus points if applicable. For the reserved category, there are relaxations. For SC and ST, 10% relaxation. For OBC, 5%. PWD, 5%. CW, 5%. For EWS, there is no relaxation. Talking about the last step, document verification after the seat allotment. Okay. Well, one more important thing. Talking about the eligibility criteria. So, minimum 70% aggregate in best 5. Class 12 subject and 70% in mathematics. And there is the relaxation for reserved candidates. So over here, if I talk about Triple IIT Delhi, there is no 75% criteria. So यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा आपको relaxation मिला है. They are actually asking for 70% aggregate in the best 5 class 12 subject and also 70% in your mathematics. And I think you can work hard to secure this particular marks, isn't it? Yeah. Talking about the merit list rules, tiebreakers resolved by class 12th percentage, then maths percentage. Talking about the reserved category relaxation apply as per government norms. All candidates must complete the document verification to confirm the admission. I hope this is what you basically require to get into Triple IIT Delhi, isn't it? Yeah. Let me talk about the data. The latest data which has been provided to us by Triple IIT Delhi. अभी 2025 के डेटाज रिलीज नहीं हुए हैं. When I just talk about the opening All India rank and closing All India rank for the courses that have been actually mentioned over here. Well, let me tell you, if you just want the reference of it, if I talk about Triple IIT Delhi, JEE Mains cutoff 2024 for outside Delhi students. Okay, for BTech CSAM, the opening rank was 3,588 and the closing rank was 9,301. बीटेक CSAI के बारे में बात करें तो ओपनिंग रैंक वाज 2352 and the closing rank was 7865. This is for 2024 I'm talking about, so that you can get an idea, because अभी 2025 का डेटा IIIT दिल्ली ने रिलीज नहीं किया है. So I took this particular reference. BTech CSB, its opening rank was 5700 and closing rank was 10174. For BTech CSD, the opening rank was 4201 and the closing rank was 9847. I'm talking about All India rank, All India opening rank and All India closing rank for IIIT Delhi. Well, if I just talk about for BTech CSE, the opening rank, All India rank, it was 1223 and the closing rank was 18,496. Rest you can have a look over here for the opening ranks as well as for the closing rank in IIIT Delhi. Moving here and talking about the IIIT JEE Main cutoff 2024 for the Delhi students. Obviously Delhi students हैं, so कुछ आपको फायदा मिलेगा if you belong to Delhi, if you are having the domicile of Delhi basically. So for BTech CSAM, the opening rank was 10,231 and the closing rank was 18,442. Again I'm saying and repeating, it's all India rank I'm talking about. Well, अगर हम देखते हैं BTech CSAI के बारे में, the opening rank was for Delhi students 3,975 and the closing rank was 21,112. For BTech CSD के बारे में देखिए, it's 12,527 the opening rank and the closing rank was 35,522. Talking about BTech CSE, the opening rank was 6,615 and the closing rank was 21,112. For BTech CSSS basically, it's CS plus social studies I'm talking about. So the opening rank was 15,908 and the closing rank was 25,587. So you get an edge if you are having a domicile of Delhi or if you are a resident of Delhi whatsoever. अगर दिल्ली का कोटा आपको मिल रहा है तो यहाँ आपको फायदा हो सकता है, isn't it? चलिए, let's move ahead and now talk about the second IIIT that actually offers you the courses without JOSA counseling and without 75% marks into your board examination. IIIT Hyderabad. According to NIRF ranking 2025, it ranks on 38th position and the total male count over here is 558, total female count 207, outside state students 487, outside country it's 119, total faculty count 141. Talking about the admission criteria over here to IIIT Hyderabad, यहाँ पर admissions कैसे होंगे? Via JEE Mains course, okay, or UGEE, that means undergraduate entrance exam के through. It is an entrance exam for the dual degree program at the International Institute of Information Technology Hyderabad. IIIT Hyderabad ही exam conduct करवा रहा है. So through SPEC, through DASA, through LEEE, boards mode. So there are various modes from where you can actually apply and get into IIIT Hyderabad. So JEE Main ka score they'll actually account for, following with UGEE, then SPEC, then DASA, then LEEE, then boards mode. So अब आप ये सोच रहे होंगे मैम ये LEEE क्या है? LEEE is basically the lateral entry entrance examination. It's a computer based exam for lateral entry to dual degree program at IIIT Hyderabad. ठीक है. नाउ बीटेक सिंगल डिग्री के लिए जेई मेन 2025 की रैंक, सिंस अभी it's the going year, so I have actually mentioned 2025 rank. So बीटेक सिंगल डिग्री के लिए जेई मेन की रैंक चलेगी. If you are actually going for the next year 2026, so यहाँ पर आप लिख दीजिएगा 2026, isn't it? Yeah. Now dual और integrated programs के लिए you will be actually requiring UGEE scores or SPEC scores or LEEE scores basically. Now international students can apply through DASA mode basically. ठीक है. Now talking about the online application, you have to register, submit the scores and preferences on IIIT portal only. Seat allotment के बारे में देखिए, based on the rank or the scores and the seat availability, you will get the seats. Final admissions after the document verifications and the fees payment. Clear? Moving ahead, talking about the eligibility criteria, you must have passed class 12th or equivalent with physics, chemistry and mathematics. देखा, पहले ही कहा था नो 75% क्राइटेरिया ओवर है, 60% एग्रीगेट इन पीसीएम. ओके, यहां पर ये जेई मेन के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. जेई मेन में मिनिमम 60% एग्रीगेट इन पीसीएम. Okay, talking about UGEE or SPEC, passed or appearing in class 12th with PCM by June 2025. ठीक है, आप next year के लिए apply कर रहे हैं, so it will be then shifted to 2026 basically. Lateral entry must have completed 4 semesters of BE or BTech in relevant branches. International students के बारे में देखें, they should have SAT or qualifying exams course required. Clear? तो यहां पर दिस इज व्हाट आई लिटरली वांट टू टॉक अबाउट. लेट्स नाउ मूव अहेड एंड टॉक अबाउट ट्रिपल आईटी हैदराबाद जेईई मेन कट ऑफ फॉर द ईयर 2025. दैट मींस ये करंट ईयर के लिए क्या कट ऑफ गई थी. आई एम टॉकिंग विद रिस्पेक्ट टू जनरल कैटेगरी. बीटेक सीएससी के लिए इफ आई जस्ट टॉक अबाउट it's the year or the round if I just go with, okay, for the year 2024 the closing rank was 1582 basically. For BTech ECE, again it's 2024 I'm talking about, the closing rank was 4350. Okay, this is what I literally want to talk about. So in a way abhi ट्रिपल आईटी हैदराबाद के बारे में अगर मैं बात करती हूँ, so they might have not released the current year data. Okay, for यहाँ पर जो हम कट ऑफ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं for the year 2025, बट यहां पर इट्स बेसिकली 2024 वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो करंट ईयर का डेटा अभी रिलीज नहीं हुआ है. वी आर जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रीवियस ईयर डेटा. उसके बेसिस पे मैं आपको बता रही हूँ. वेरी सून व्हेन द डेटा विल बी रिलीज्ड आई विल मेक श्योर दैट आई कम अप विद दैट पर्टिकुलर डेटा कि ट्रिपल आईटी हैदराबाद का ओपनिंग एंड क्लोजिंग रैंक क्या था फॉर बीटेक सीएससी एंड फॉर बीटेक ईसी. आई लेट यू नो वेरी सून. अभी रेफरेंस के लिए आप ये देख सकते हैं. वेल, टॉकिंग अबाउट ट्रिपल आईटी बैंगलोर. ओके, and according to NIRF ranking 2025, it ranks at 69th position. It's NAC A+ accredited and total faculty count is 77. Let's move ahead and talk about the admission criteria. It's based on JEE Main 2025 rank. Next year के लिए apply करेंगे, so it will be changed to 2026. ठीक है? Okay, for BTech and integrated MTech, online counseling via Triple IT Bangalore portal. Candidates must register and select preferred program online. Admissions offered as per JEE Main rank, जो भी आपकी JEE Main में rank थी, and seat availability. Final admissions after the fees payment and document verification. यहाँ पर ये कहा गया है eligibility criteria क्या है? Must have passed class 12 or equivalent with mathematics. Clear? एक और बात, selection for BTech and integrated MTech through JEE Main 2025 ranks अगले साल के लिए करेंगे, so it will be changed to 2026. For MTech, minimum 65% you should have scored or equivalent plus the GATE scores they are actually going to require. फाइन. सो यहाँ पर आपने देखा जो मैंने तीनों ट्रिपल आईटीज के बारे में बात की एंड बच्चे बहुत घबराए से रहते हैं यार 75% मार्क्स कैसे भी करके 12th बोर्ड में लाने ही हैं. वो यहाँ पर क्राइटेरिया हमें देखने को नहीं मिला. इट जस्ट यू नीड टू पास क्लास 12. ट्रिपल आईटी हैदराबाद में यू शुड हैव 60 परसेंटाइल बेसिकली इन योर जेईई मेंस. दैट इज व्हाट आई एक्चुअली टॉक्ड अबाउट. यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे यू मस्ट हैव पास क्लास 12th or equivalent with mathematics, and rest is my case. Let's talk about the Triple IT Bangalore JEE Main cutoff for 2024 I'm talking about. तो आप यहाँ देखेंगे 4 राउंड्स के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. बीटेक सीएससी में राउंड 1 it was 3677, राउंड 2 4683, राउंड 3 5286, राउंड 4 5516. Rest you can have a look. एक और चीज बताना चाहूंगी फॉर बीटेक ईसीई द राउंड 1 कितना कट ऑफ गया 4840, राउंड 2 5761, राउंड 3 7054 एंड राउंड 4 7222. रेस्ट यू कैन हैव अ लुक ओवर है. सो ये आपको एक रेफरेंस मिल गया. वेल आई विल बी एक्चुअली telling you the opening and the closing ranks very soon when these triple ITs will release their opening and closing ranks onto their portal. Abhi, whatever information I was having, I actually brought to you on the table just to make sure that you people are not worried because you have many other options, okay, other than JOSA counseling. So ये triple ITs जो हैं तीनों की तीनों Delhi, Bangalore and Hyderabad, they are very much good to go. NIRF ranking भी इनकी काफी अच्छी है. So if in case you are not actually going for the JOSA counseling, which requires the 75% criteria into your board's examinations, yes, these three triple IITs can actually help you out, and they are absolutely very, very much good. So हमें plan B रखना पड़ेगा, okay, because it's our career and we need to think about it, whether it's through UG EEE Olympiads or the DASA scheme. These three triple ITs open doors beyond JOSA. So if you are aiming high, explore these options and take control of your engineering journey. That's all from my side. All the very best.